Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Defender for Cloud on Azure VMs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Defender for Cloud on Azure VMs, start by logging into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Microsoft Defender for Cloud section in the left side menu. In the Microsoft Defender for Cloud dashboard, select the Environment Settings option. Choose the subscription associated with the virtual machines you want to secure. Click on the Enable button for Defender for Cloud. Scroll down to the Defender for Servers section and select it. Make sure to toggle the switch to turn on Defender for Servers. Review the settings and then click on Save to apply the changes. Next, return to the Microsoft Defender for Cloud dashboard. Look for the Security Recommendations option in the menu. Azure will start analyzing your VMs for potential vulnerabilities. After a brief period, you will see any security recommendations for your VMs. Review these recommendations carefully. Address any high-priority issues as soon as possible. For more comprehensive security, consider enabling threat protection options. You can also configure alerts through the Security Alerts section. Make sure to assess your security posture regularly. With these steps completed, your Defender for Cloud is now active on your Azure VMs. Your virtual machines are better protected against security threats. Continue to monitor and manage your security settings for optimal protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.